What if I told you this simple 30-second ritual could melt belly fat while you sleep? Sounds wild, right? I tried it for just 7 days and dropped 4 pounds without changing a thing in my routine. And the best part, it costs less than $1 to make. Stick around because I'm sharing the exact recipe that's got doctors completely stunned. Have you ever wondered why some people can eat whatever they want and never gain weight? It's not just genetics, it's metabolism. And what I'm about to show you will supercharge yours in about 30 seconds every morning. Here's the deal: no complicated detoxes, no pricey supplements, just 3 ingredients you probably already have. Some of my favorite superpower ingredients: turmeric, fresh ginger, and lemons. But here's the secret: it's not just what you use, it's when and how you drink it that makes all the difference. Have you ever tried turmeric before? Drop a simple yes in the comments if you have, or no if you're new to it. Let's geek out for a second. Turmeric is loaded with curcumin, which can boost metabolism by up to 15%. But your body barely absorbs it unless you add a little black pepper. Seriously, it does. It increases absorption by 2,000%. Now, I know, and I've heard in the past, that there are some people that cannot have black pepper. You can use some cayenne. It's just that capsaicin that does boost that curcumin. Even though black pepper is best, you can get the benefits from the capsaicin in cayenne. So add that pepper to that turmeric to boost the benefits of the curcumin. Ginger, it's like rocket fuel for that digestion. It ramps up your body's fat burning process for 6 full hours. Who knew? Lemon alkalizes your system and kickstarts your liver's overnight detox. Which of these 3 ingredients surprises you the most? Tell me below. I love reading your answers. Now, don't just take my word for it, even though I can show you some before and after pictures. And I'm telling you, I hopped on that scale and I've been trying. I'm going on a cruise soon. Actually, I have 2 upcoming cruises booked, and I'm going on one soon. So I do make it a big priority to lose weight before a cruise, because when I go on a cruise, I eat whatever I want, and I know I'm going to gain between 10 and 20 pounds. Now, I do know a lot of that is water weight because I do swell when I travel, but I make it a big effort to lose a good 10 pounds before I go on a cruise. And this, I am not joking, 4 pounds just melted off, and I didn't change anything. So I'm super excited to share this with you. And the biggest thing is I love bringing these things to you that don't cost extra money. You don't have to order things. You don't have to, take these supplements or get a gym membership or things. We can just add simple things into our daily life. But don't just take my word for it. I heard from someone else. Sarah from Texas, she told me she lost 8 pounds in 3 weeks just by adding this to her mornings. Also, I heard from Mike from California. He said his energy shot through the roof and he's finally sleeping through the night. Now, I'm also doing an upcoming video on magnesium, my next Medicinal Monday, and that is going to be huge. Not just magnesium, but what kind of magnesium, how much magnesium, that is really going to benefit our sleep. And that will be our next video. So stay tuned for that. And for me, I started this, I would have to say, faithfully, I've been doing it 2 weeks, but before I had done it 3 months to fight 3 months steadily to fight inflammation for my autoimmune condition. And at that point, not only did I lose 12 pounds, but my joint pain dropped by 80%. And my doctor was actually floored by this. So it was a huge benefit in my life. And that is another reason why I do take the turmeric tabs that has the ginger and the pepper in it. But this was something that I just really wanted to boost my weight loss and help the inflammation in my body, which kind of helps a little detox. So I just started drinking this every morning, and wow, it really made a difference in my life. So what's your biggest health struggle right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. So how do we make this simple morning drink? We're going to take 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. Make sure it's organic. You can get it. I can link it below. I get mine on Amazon. You can get it many different places. 1/2 teaspoon fresh grated ginger. You can get that fresh grated ginger anywhere. I get it either at I tried growing my own and it worked 1 year, but this garden year is a loss. I might try to grow it again, but you can either get it at Amazon or your local grocery. There's a natural food store here in Fargo and they have organic fresh ginger. And then just 1/2 of a lemon with 1 cup boiling water and then a tiny pinch of black pepper. That is it. Mix it all up. And here's the key. The key is to drink it on an empty stomach 30 minutes before your first meal. Your metabolism will be primed and ready. And then 3 bonus hacks for even a better result. If you drink it between 6 and 8 a.m., it gives you some max fat burning results, depending on, what time you get. But I usually kind of wake up between then. My cats tend to want to eat that early. So I drink it right when I get up. And then I don't tend to add any honey or sweeteners to it because that spikes the insulin and can block some fat burners. So with this, I just drink it straight. When I want to have an enjoyable cup of tea or something later in the day, I might add a little bit of, I have to grow my own stevia. So I might add a little stevia or some honey and just enjoy a cup of tea. But for this strictly fat burning, I do not add any sweeteners. And then this drink can also improve your sleep because turmeric lowers cortisol, which is a stress hormone. So this also helps with that. And then, are you a morning person or a night owl? What time do you usually wake up? Let's see who's in the early bird club. I confess, I would have to say I'm more of the early bird club. If you ask people at my work, I work till 10, and I usually, like, on my last break, or even, so on my lunch, I'll usually take a shower or whatever. And then in my last break, I'll get my teeth brushed. I'll be all ready. So when I punch out, it is like bedtime for me. So I am not generally a night person at all. But anyway, so I would have to say I am in the early bird club. All right, so here's your challenge. Try this for 7 days. take a photo or weigh yourself or track your energy, and then come back and share your results with us. Let us know if you notice a difference. If you found this helpful, just smash that thumbs up like button so more people can see these videos. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so every Monday I share powerful medicinal secrets just like this. And it costs you nothing. So help me out, you guys. Just help me out by just thumbs up, leave a little comment, subscribe, share. Awesome. And are you enjoying the 7-day challenge? Type I'm in the comments if you're ready to transform your mornings and health. Don't miss next Medicinal Monday. It is going to be all about magnesium and sleep. Do you ever have your mind racing and you can't shut it off, but your body's tired and you want to go to sleep? This next Monday is going to be just for you. Until then, keep nourishing your body with the power of food as medicine. See you next Monday. Be blessed, and remember, you are loved. Bye.